Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Today on our episode, we want to talk about how you can create a free WordPress website for practice purpose only. A platform where you can actually, just log in and just do your testing purpose. Probably, let's say a client gives you a website to design and they want to see a demo. They want to see what you can actually do, more of like having to see the infrastructure level, getting to understand, maybe what they want, so you go in and just create something and just send it to them. It's cool. Creating this website for professional purpose testing environment, a platform where you could just go in and just do what you want to do. It's called TasteWP, and we have all that you need to know. So there's a blog as well that is attached to the video tutorial that you can actually maybe want to go read more about it, because on the practical aspect, because that's what we're going to be going, we just go straight in and show you how you can actually create this very particular WordPress website. What they've tried to do is to bypass the whole protocol of getting your hosting, getting your domain name, and getting your SSL certificate, and just give you access to actually create an instant brand new website with your WordPress. Just give you some random URL, something like this. You can just get it, and it's very easy. What we need to do is you need to actually, if you're actually coming in from the blog section, of course, as you're reading, you just actually click any of the links, or you can actually come straight down here and also maybe click the link, so you can actually bring you to the site and you can sign up and actually take charge. But the most important thing is, the moment you're done, you will need to actually have your own hosting, so you can have your own domain name, your hosting, and your SSL certificate. And with our web hosting services, you can actually have that as affordable as possible. And the reason why you need to have your own hosting is, this is a free platform where you go and practice for free. So the whole idea of the security, the privacy, that you can really have a guarantee. But so the most important thing is, you just want to test a new thing, you want to test new plugin, you want to test with particular skills and see what you can actually do with it. And once you are done, sure, and you've perfected it and you want to really have your website, then you need to visit amadoshosting.com, so that you can actually get your hosting and actually get your site up and running. It's very, very important you do so. This is what you can actually get for if you go through the process. It's just let me even give you some insight, because once you actually have this platform, you can actually have access to it for 7 days extension, or then you decide to expire, or you want to have it for 2 days if you don't want to log in, which means if you don't want to create an account, you can actually just test for 2 days and the site will disappear. But if you actually create an account for 7 days, it can actually be extended to that level. So that you can actually do. So you want to see how the environment is, you want to really go in to get to understand that this is just an environment testing purpose, because TasteWP is mostly used as a development environment for testing new plugins and theme without putting your actual site at risk. So you get what I was saying when I was saying the privacy thing. So you actually need to actually just just go right, just test around and just see what you can do. It's very important. Though it's a new concept and there are numbers of free options available, though I will offer a couple of solutions and also experiment with the end of piece, as in everything that I'm going to be doing at the end of the day, I will try as much as possible to test, show you around how the environment is, what you can use it to do. Go in, maybe create a website and see how we can back it up, and also how to upload it. All those things I will actually make sure I cover at this. So the most important thing you want to do is to actually click on the link that you're seeing, and the link will take you straight to the site. And this is the site. All right, so now that we are at TasteWP, what are we doing next? We scroll down to the part that says, I agree with the terms and condition. And please, you've already seen all that you need to know about this process, so I'm not going to explain, because I've already explained vividly. So now what we need to do is to actually do what? Click setup. So you already have created 2 sites and login. So now they are telling me that I already have created 2 sites already. without logging in. So I should log in to create up to 6 sites. So what I need to do is say, okay, no problem. Then I click on what? Login. Then I will now log in with my account. So now I have my account. So now I can do what? Create new site. Right? So create site. Then it will allow me create site now. Alright, so now I need to click what? Access my site. Alright, so I have like 7 days for this to go. Alright, so the most important thing is for me to be able to try and see how I can clean up my website. Now the back end is here and the front end also is here. So we have two sections. I have the pickhot.taste, that's the front end, and I have so much, rubbish that I need to clear off before I install my theme. And here also I don't like the way it is. I like keeping things clean. So I'll do what? Go up here where they have screen option. Then I'll do what? I'll make sure I check all these buttons, uncheck them, uncheck them, uncheck them. So now I have this section clean, and it's remaining this section to be clean as well. So I go. The process of cleaning up your WordPress dashboard, I'm sure you're familiar with it, and also if you are not, I have a video that covers that aspect, and I'll make sure I put the link on the description below so that you can actually also watch it and see how you can clean up your WordPress dashboard. So I'm not going to go through the process by going step by step. I could still just do it, but if you can follow it, fine, but I'm not trying to explain because I already have a video for that. Okay, so under the setting, I'm taking it to permalink. Then I want to go to appearance, go to widgets. All right, so go to comment, go to page. All right, go to post. So now when you go back and refresh, you see that everything has gone out. All right, so now this is the testing environment for practicing. If I want to actually try a new theme, I want to try a new plugin, I want to have a client get a particular demo to see what they are saying they want me to develop, and I'll show them a little bit that I can do it, so they will approve before I will now go to amadoshosting.com and also buy my domain name and host plan, then get free SSL certificate, install WordPress from my cPanel and true software colors app installer. Then I'll find myself at my dashboard. Okay, this is it. So now what we need to do is to go straight down to what? Appearance, go to theme. Now I need to go to add new theme. I click on add new theme. Now there are a bunch of themes I could use if I want to get my theme, because the idea is I have 7 days right now left, so I will make sure I do all I need to do to design, develop, customize, and make sure the site is 100% steady and it's okay. Then I will now do what? Go to Amados hosting, then make sure I do what? I get my hosting from Amados, get my domain name and my hosting from Amados. Then I'll now do what? Go and back up this very one here. When I back it up, then move it by downloading it into my computer. Then the one I created that I paid for, my own, that is going to be lasting for 1 year, I will now do what? Also do what? Move everything that I've moved into my computer into it, and I will have that live from me here. Okay, so now what I want to do is I can actually go to Team Forest to do what? Buy my theme, and actually make sure I actually get it. So maybe I say blog or whatever, e-commerce. Okay, let me just say e-commerce in WordPress. I can have e-commerce in WordPress through Team Forest. Can get that. We have 39, 59 and all that, but every single one you see, it's very good. Oh, I think I like all those ones looking very nice. You can see all the sales that they have, that to tell you that at least these people are serious. You can actually get it. So anyone that you want to actually buy, you can actually see it here and buy. But we also have ours that we have. Instead of buying spending such amount of money, you can actually just go to pt Amados, so you can actually what get same thing you're getting from Team Forest. You can actually get it for $12. With $12, you can actually get any theme, any plugin that you want, any script that you want. So what you do is when you come, you look for the one you want and buy. But in case you don't see anyone that you're looking for there, just come down to this request or request for anything, or you go here and say request here, anyone. Then you can put your name, valid email. Then you can select whether it's plugin, you can select whether it's theme, you can select whether it's script, anyone you want. If you can actually select, then you can actually do what, come down, tell us the name of the theme, plugin or script. You can actually explain it vividly. In case maybe you don't know the exactly name, you can just tell us it's a theme for this, is theme for that. You can actually do that. Then you explain. Then we can actually take it off from there. Then once you send request, immediately we'll get your money. Once you've paid your money, then we will get it across to you. It's no big deal. So instead of spending such $69.79, $59, just come and pay your $12 and we'll get that thing for you at pt.amados.com. And also our hosting, don't forget to get it also from amadoshosting.com. You can actually get access to buy your domain name and your host plan, and everything will go smoothly. All right, so now we actually to click upload. So what is this now is when you click upload, which means you already install, you already purchased your domain, your theme, and it's there. But for now, because we are for this purpose, we need to search for Astra. Astra is a very robust free theme, even though they have their premium. So we're going to be using Astra. So we click install Astra. Then once you install, you need to also click activate so that you can actually do what, take shape also in front end here. So now you see we're having a change by Astra. So once you click install and activate it, you see a particular functionalities also will pop up here called Astra option. Click on it, it will give you access to the Astra dashboard. Now we need to scroll down to this section by my right. You'll see this part that says install import plugin. Install import plugin. Once you click on it, it will install and it will activate. Now they have 4 different plugins that is a page builder that they are using for this very particular Astra platform. They have the Breezy, they have the Viewer Builder, they have the Elementor and the Kutubang. So now I am using Elementor. So I click on Elementor, it will now take me to the starter template where I will see the premium one and I will see the free one. Now I have the premium one also line up, but what I will do is I'll come up here that says all. I'll click on the drop down. I'll come down to the part that says what, free. Okay, I'll click on the free. Now it will take off all the premium one and show me all the one that is actually here. So I'm scrolling down right now to the one of the last one because I actually have used it before. This video already, I'm actually trying to redo it again because I discovered that after I finished doing recording the video and also upload it on YouTube, few people who were watching it actually noticed that there's a particular section that the voice did not come out. So I didn't know what happened because I was actually doing the video that was late in the night, so I didn't notice what's happening. But it's okay, I am not trying to redo it. So this is the same theme I use and I want to still use it again. So I'll click on it. Then you can preview the theme before you can actually go ahead and click import complete site. So you click on preview. You can actually see how beautiful the site is and very light and very easy to go through. Look at it, very sweet, very light and very sweet. It's a very wonderful theme. Has the about us, the services, all those parts. You can actually see them. You can also go ahead and see the services section. So they're cool. That's what I want to use. So take it off, then I'll come down and click on what, import complete site. So I click on import complete site. Now this part here I will just need to skip. Then it will ask me for this section by telling me I am a WordPress, I am a blah blah blah. Just click drop down, click beginner, come down, click myself or my company, then click next. But any other thing here, don't touch it, don't click it, just go straight down to skip. So you're skipping it, then it will automatically start importing all the content of the site, exactly what you see on the preview. That's exactly what you're going to see that is going to be on the site. Now any moment from now it's going to be done. So you see it's going to be done. Now let's see. Boom. Now it should tell you visit site. Now once you click on that, you need to refresh. Now this is your site, very perfect. Pick hot.tastewp. Then everything is looking lovely and looking nice. So see, very lovely. You can see your about us as well. Down, down, down. You can also go again to services, everything down, 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 down. Everything is looking lovely. So now what we're going to do is, now I have already a video for how to design, develop, customize, build your site using Elementor Page Builder. So that video is also going to be on the description below so that you can use it. So this video is for us to show you this very particular TasteWP platform that you can allow you to be able to, work on few things practically, and also test few things, and also get a demo and just set up few things. That is a temporary thing. But of course, if you're looking for how to do all that, then the video is what you're going to watch. So now I would just want to walk you through normal the process. You just go to edit with Elementor and click on it. Then it will bring you to the section where you see everything that you have, and you can actually start editing it. And I also want to tell you something, in case maybe at the course of watching my video and you might notice maybe I'm a little bit fast. That, don't worry. YouTube have actually taken care of that for you. You can actually go to YouTube. If you go to YouTube, you can actually also watch any of my video in case I'm fast. Not necessarily me, any video you want to watch, you can actually watch it. So I'm going to be going, just go to search for Ados Michael. Definitely need to pop up once you click Ados Michael. You'll hear me, then you can actually check me out. So in case you have not subscribed for my channel, please, you can actually do so by subscribing and give a thumbs up, and you can actually watch my video. So that is it. Like I told you, I've already created the video, but I am looking at, we have 19 view already sharply just a few hours ago, but that's not a big deal. So now what I want to do is I'm going to be walking you through. Let me go to this one. So now, so welcome to the online ambassador. So now, and this is actually how to install Telegram on your devices, but that's not a big deal. Now this part here at the call setting. So click on the setting. This playback speed, click on it. With your now you can count down. I want to now slow one as I'm talking fast. As you want, so you can use it with one account. So you see that my voice has go down again. If it's usually on WhatsApp, fast, I'll go again. You can use it so on any other device. You must go take this off before you can use it on other device. But with so this Telegram message app, you can actually use. Okay. So now the good thing there is, no matter the video that you're watching, once you notice the instructor is a little bit fast, don't worry. Just go to the setting and go to the speed section. Just drop it down a little bit. That you find out that you can start telling him. Just like imagine, okay, I talk normally. This is me talking. What you need to do is to go here and actually click on this part, and that's how I talk fast. But let me say, for example, I want to slow myself down on YouTube. You will not hear things like. So when you come to this place, what you need to do is to maybe come down here and put all this there and just click test WP is around. So once you do that, you go again to the next section and click it like this. That is actually how you could draw me back if you want to do so on YouTube, but you're fully in control of what you view and how you view it. Okay, so I'm not going into details of how to go this because there's a video for that already. So I just want to walk you through. Any part you just click it to appear, you edit. Any part you click it to appear, you edit, you remove, you do all that. That's what you get to do from start to finish. Once you're done, you click update. And once you click update, then you need to go to this section here and click exit from the dashboard. Then you can actually do what, go up, and voila, you see what you tested. We'll just change this to test WP is around. Okay, that's what you do for the about us, services, contact us, request, everything. That's where you do play around with that. Okay, so now I am done designing, developing, doing all the testing and all the practical I want to do here at pickhot.tastwp. So now is the time for me now to go to my site, amadoushosting.com, and search for my domain name. justinfish.com. Wow, I think I need to eat fish today. So I click on justinfish.com and look, search for the domain name is available. If the domain name is available, I'll add it to cart, get my hosting, get my free SSL certificate, then quickly move to my cPanel, install my WordPress 2 Software Colors app installer. Then voila, I find myself where? In my WordPress dashboard, and that is where, congratulations, Justin Fish is available. Good. I'll just add it to cart, go to hosting, blah blah blah. But right now, once that is done, then I will make sure that I actually do what? Get this very particular one that I've created already. So I'm assuming this is the one I want to use in practicing, in doing all that I want to do. Make sure I customize everything and everything is set for that 6 days. So before the 7th day, I'll go and get myself my domain name and hosting. Then once that is done, then before I go to creating another one that will be serving as if I am actually just getting my domain name, my host plan already set up, I need to do what? Back up this very particular one that I have. So I'll go back to my dashboard, scroll down, you see backup and migration. So I click on backup and migration. Then what I do is, once it opens, then I'll do what? Click backup, create backup. Then the backup will start moving and start giving me all that I need. Then in a few seconds, backup was successfully. So I'll just need to do what? Close the window. Then I'll go to backup. Then what I will do is to make sure I go to this section where I will do what? Download it. And you see that it's downloading. You see? It's downloading right now into my computer. Now this is done. So now I'm done with this guy already, because everything about this guy is already backed up and is now being downloaded in my computer. So now I need to also now do what? Go and actually get my domain name, my host plans, my SSL certificate also ready. So now I'll still go back again to TasteWP. I just want to just have one more, and that I'll also, it will look as if maybe it's the one that I just bought from amadorshosting.com. So I'll go back to my dashboard, then I'll do create site. So when I click on create site, then what I do is, create site. Then I'll go down to say create site. Then voila, the site will now be created. Once it's done, yeah, voila. So I click on access now. Of course, you know the drain. What you need to do is to still go back to the same process that I did. Okay, you know how I did it? Go to setting, permalink, post name, then save. All right, go to appearance, then go to where? Widget. Make sure you do what? Then delete. If you're smart, with all that I'm doing, you should be able to understand how to clean up your WordPress dashboard. But if you don't, just make sure you go to my other videos. It will even give me pleasure to make sure you come to my other video, because the idea is for you to use one video and sell the next video and sell the next video, and it's very, very good like that, so that all videos will also be important. You getting me? So now I am done with this very particular site. So now I am done here. So what I will do is go this time around. This one I have is seat income. Seat income. So it's seatincome.tsp, that is WP. This one is pick hot. This one is seat income. But once we actually do what, the backup that we have here, if we move it now to seat income, everything now will now be appearing here as what? Peacock, not seat income. All right, so get to know that. So now seat income is actually the one we've actually purchased from Amador's hosting, and it's looking fine. We've cleaned up the dashboard and everything is looking nice. So what we need to do is to go to the dashboard section, and all this fault, I like my website to be clean from the dashboard. So I go to my up here and click on it. Then I do what? Uncheck, 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 and uncheck. Everything nice. So now I'll go to where? Team, right? And go to where? Add new team. Then I'll upload, I'll search. No, I will not do any of those. I don't need to go to team. I don't need to upload. I don't need to do anything. I already have a backup waiting for me. All I need to do is to import those backup into this very site, and everything that is here at Peacock will now be here at Sitcom. All right, so let's do that. Scroll down to the backup, click on it. Then once it's open, we go to restore. that's what we want to do. Then we need to upload that very particular backup that we downloaded. So click on it and say browse for it. Yeah, check it out. Then you see that on your download, here it is. Click on it and let's just go. Then in few seconds, you'll see that your upload will be 100%. But even while it's showing you 100%, please don't touch anything. Allow it to finish propagating, getting everything set before you go do that. You see, going, then gone. 100%. Don't just quickly go and start clicking anything. No, don't click. Just keep your hands up and leave your mouse and leave everything to go smoothly. Then the next thing you'll see a pop-up with a wonderful and amazing information for you. All right. So once we get that information pop up, see that's why it's doing blah blah blah, because any moment from now you will see that pop up show in your window. So now once we get those messages, yeah, we are not yet also finished getting all those particular backup into the site. Yeah, we've gotten it into the site, but we have not restored it into this very particular site. All right, so let's wait for it. All right, so now congratulations. So you close it. Now that's for one thing. Now we've closed it. Yeah, but the next thing we want to do is to click on what? Restore. Because if you go to sitcom and refresh, you will not see anything. Yeah, you know why? Because it's one thing for you to restore the backup, as in upload the backup, but it's one other thing for you to do what? Restore the backup right now. So it's telling you, are you sure you want to do so? Because all your database, all your everything will destroy and overwritten, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we don't have anything. See, it's nothing. So yes, we want it. So you click yes, then click start. Then before a few seconds, before you know what's happening, you find out that everything will become what you were wishing for. Congratulations. Now, let's go to sitcom. Remember I told you, pick hot is what we are moving right now to what? Sit hub, sit income, right? So right now let's refresh sit income and you find out that everything that is on pick up or pick hot will now become what? Say here. So let's see. Now do you see that it has changed from sit income to pick hot? Now look at it. We have our sit income TasteWP now having exactly what we have in our picot. Everything nice. So this is exactly what you need to do. Then you don't have anything because you already designed, customized everything already from the peacock, and everything is very looking. Sorry, I'm calling peacock. It's pick hot. So everything is there. So now I have moved everything here. So it's easy and ABCD. So this training right now is able to show you was able to show you two things. Show you that you can actually use TasteWP to test whatever thing and try to do anything you want to do, and also how you can actually back up your site from one site and move everything to another site. So we've succeeded to actually use one stone to kill two birds. So everything nice. So this is what you need to do. So now quickly go and actually create your own account and start working on your projects or whatever testing, whatever practicing you want to do. But make sure when you're done, you go to what? AmadosHosting.com, so you can actually get your hosting domain name purchase from us or with us. Then you move everything from this and move it into this. And if you have any issue, you have any help that you need from us, we're going to be here to also assist you to do that. So until I come your way again next time, I still remain your one and only Ados Michael, aka the Online Ambassador. Bye for now.